topic for today is all about human sexuality. So, Miss Rizal, what is your perspective on human sexuality? Or anyone? What is human sexuality? Aniro, do you have an idea what is human sexuality? Thank you. So, Ellie, please read the Romana objectives.
The objective of this content is to explore various aspects of human sexuality from a sociological perspective, discussing topics such as incest as a sexual taboo, the sexual revolution, different sexual orientations, celibacy, and prostitution. Additionally, we will delve into the significance of family planning in the context of national development.
So, muna ako ang under sa human sexuality, may ang topic na incest as a sexual taboo, the sexual revolution, different sexual orientation, celibacy, and prostitution. So, sociological perspective on human sexuality is a complex and multifaceted aspect of human life that is influenced by social, cultural, and historical factors. From a sociological perspective, sexuality not solely an individual matter but also shaped by societal norms, beliefs, and values. Sociology studies the impact of social institutions such as religion, family, and media on shaping sexual behaviors and attitudes. So example, sociologists have observed how cultural norms and media representations influence body image and sexual ideals, which can in turn impact individuals' sexual behaviors and preferences. So, human sexuality is influenced by many factors beyond just personal feelings. It also affected by social and culture. Sociologists look at how things like religion, family, and media shape how people think and act regarding sex. So these study how social rules and values impact individuals' sexual behaviors and beliefs. Next is incest as sexual taboo. So can you please read, everyone?
Incest refers to sexual relations between close family members, such as siblings or parent-child. Most societies consider incest to be a taboo due to biological and social reasons. Inbreeding can lead to genetic disorders, which is one of the biological reasons for its prohibition. From a social perspective, incest is seen as a threat to the stability of the family unit and can create tensions and conflicts within the family.
Example. Across different cultures, there are stories, myths, and legal codes that explicitly prohibit incest relationships, reflecting the universality of this taboo.
So, ulo sa kanyang incest as taboo sa kay kung ano siya kanang sexual relation within the family. So, pwede ka nang ikaw sa kasama ko siya, sensitive juga siya gamay. Saan sa? Oh, yan na din siya. Wala siya incest as sexual taboo. Miss Mervick, nabakay na ilhan nga kanang
Incest.
family na ito ingani kanang incest as sexual taboo.
Ko na di-share si ko na president kanina nga kanang ang nakabuntis niya is ang iyang papa. So, adi na sige share na kanina pero ko kailan pero na siya ang garan sa pakailan man dagan na.
Yeah, runaan. Wala ko yung lolo.
Incest as a sexual taboo. Next is the sexual revolution. So can you please?
Sila na siguro? Sila na.
Born during the 1960s and 1970s, it marked a shift in attitude towards sexuality, challenging traditional norms and promoting sexual liberation. The revolution advocated for greater sexual freedom, reproductive rights, and acceptance of diverse sexual orientations. Example, the sexual revolution saw the rise of the feminist movement, which fought for women's reproductive rights, including access to birth control and legal abortion.
So, sa maning birth control. So, sa maning birth control para ninyo result and last ko. So, thank you. We'll send it lang yung di ba sa English and last ko. So, kanina yung birth control, diri po napasabot ko na yung so,
Methods.
pills bitaw.
Methods.
So, para sa ginong example nga, kung dili pa ready ang usa ka kuan, parents, di na masud katong mag-pills na katong inahan. So, na ko ipakita ninyo regarding sa the sexual revolution. Bubura din kayo siya mag-video. Mga 26 minutes. So, was there a sexual revolution in the 1960s? Are you sure?
Let's see.
Why are people
Are you gay?
answers not so clear about in this video? I will tell you what we do and what we do not to help correct things. But before we get started, we need to clear that. First one, the cage. That does not exist. There's no evidence to suggest it does. And any connections people have found, they can easily be seen as a coincidence. So what does cause that? Well, that would be prenatal testosterone. However, again, it is not that simple. And honestly, it is a wild thing to go into. But before we discuss it, how do we measure prenatal testosterone? I'm going to cover it right now. And personally, I find this extremely fascinating. And it is an important thing to know, especially since if you look into other YouTube videos on this, you're not going to see any of them discuss this. However, if you remind
So, naman sa the sexual revolution. Now, let's proceed to heterosexuality. So, can you please read everyone?
Nawalay ulo.
Sexuality refers to sexual and romantic attraction between individuals of the
To the opposite sex. In many societies, heterosexuality is considered a normative sexual orientation.
examples.
Legal recognition of heterosexual marriages and the social expectation of heterosexual relationships had been
prevalent in many cultures for centuries. Next is the homosexuality. Homosexuality is a sexual orientation characterized by romantic and sexual attraction of the same sex. The acceptance and recognition of homosexuality and example, the LGBTQ+ rights movement has advocated for equal rights and acceptance for individuals with diverse sexual orientations, challenging societal stigmas and promoting inclusivity.
So, isa dari ang nairiyab na tumboy. Baji nga nairiyab na tumboy. Nabawa.
Bayot.
Bayot.
Ikari!
Sunod naman kaya sa heterosexuality o homosexuality. Ang heterosexuality na attraction between individual with opposite sex, so baji with laki.
Iya.
Then ang homosexuality,
Bye-bye, laki
so bye-bye, laki-laki.
Leo, ano kay pagotan na Leo?
Oo.
Wala ginay ono.
Kamu lagi doha?
Ako doon niya na sa upos.
Kamu doha?
Next, causes of homosexuality. So, ano sa mga causes sa homosexuality? Miss Lynn, narinig ko. Lynn, ano sa mga causes sa homosexuality?
The genetics.
So based ako pa ng learning is na may genes daw nga i-release na pa ng hormone, anay hormone nga release ang laki na may cause yung one sila mga feels na attraction sa same sex nila.
So, thank you, Miss Lee. So, another pangutana. Ang kanang manok na baligya sa merkado, makabayot ba na?
Di na Leo kay nai-inject ana nga kanang kan sa babae.
Are you sure?
Inod, igna siliya ko.
Well, based na po sa akong research sa kanang daw naman yung daw ng ako sa tao na makabayot daw. Depende rin dito din sa genes sa tao o sa sinata. So the exact causes of homosexuality are not fully understood, but research suggests that a combination of genetic, hormonal, and environmental factors may play a role. It is essential to emphasize that being homosexual is not a disorder or a choice. So dili din na siya disorder, but it's a choice. So example, studies have shown that identical twins who share the same genes are more likely to have the same sexual orientation than fraternal twins, supporting idea that genetic factors may contribute to sexual orientation. So nanato ko show ninyo nga video regarding sa process of homosexuality. So ano nga video, din na to, maipawakan kong itong gingon ni Miss Lee.
If you look into other videos about homosexuality, they will say many of the same things are rare things. But before we get started, we need to clear the first one. The gay gene, that does not exist. There's no evidence to suggest it does. And any connections people have found, they can easily be seen as a coincidence. So what does cause this? Well, that would be prenatal testosterone. However, again, it is not that simple. And honestly, it is a wild thing to go into. But before we discuss it, how do we measure prenatal testosterone? I'm going to cover it right now. And
Testosterone.
It's extremely fascinating. And it is an important thing to know, especially since if you look into other YouTube videos on this, you're not going to see any of them discuss this. However, if you are not interested in this material, I don't blame you, and you can skip this timestamp right here. Now, if you look into other videos about homosexuality, they will say many of the same things I'm saying right now about prenatal testosterone, but they will not explain how scientists measure this. And it's not that simple, because prenatal testosterone, you can measure the levels when you're inside of the womb. You can simply get some samples of the amniotic fluid, or however they pronounce it, or a blood test from a mother, and you can measure the prenatal testosterone. But when you're an adult, it becomes much more tricky, and there is no direct way of measuring the testosterone. The current levels are not going to reflect what they were in the womb. So as a result, scientists have to go by proxies, and there are a couple of things they look at. First one being the face-width to height ratio, the ratio between the two fingers of the index and the ring finger, and your behavior in many instances. Studies have shown having a long ring finger to an index finger is heavily correlated to testosterone exposure while you're in the womb. This is why women typically have shorter wombs than men, as displayed on the screen. The next one is facial width to height ratio. You measure from the
Isa na, ito sa daw sa process sa homosexuality, nakita ko ng mga straight na lalaki, nagtito na sa gene, nitawag na, sa ito prostate na?
Prostate.
Progesterone, na muna daw yung makakos, na ang kato daw straight na lalaki, mahimong siya nga bayot.
Gay.
Na kato ba dyan sa reserve ito? Estrogen?
Learn into their faith and spiritual practices.
Isa one today. So Merve, can you share your ideas in regards to celibacy?
Okay, so celibacy, it is the example kanina ka ng uyab yung tayo mo. So, di ba kasagaran ang uban nga, uyab mo practice mo sila sa mo karon sa kanang modern era, nga kanang ila i-practice ang premarital sex. Pero ang celibacy is kanang mo decide mo diba sa uyab nga mo practice of any sexual activity unless makasal mo. Like for example, celebrities na Shaira Diaz kasi yung uyab nga 10 years is above rin ang sila
Iinig
ka-
si Iin.
Ha?
Si Iin.
Ilan sa laki pero
Iinig
once
na.
na
Karon.
sexual intercourse.
Sa katong sa igingan best friend sa celibacy ka na ikaw. Partner mo pero wala sa kita mo ka na bitaw sexual activity. So for example, yan ako itong mga ingon din sa Greece, mga moms. Bisa ka drink ka ng noon, naman dito po yung ban na pare na nakakabuntis, di ba? Pero mostly dito na pare dyan, di kita sila dapat.
Mana mga anak ng pare, ang kanang lagi pa po.
Ban.
Moms ka ng
Bisan pagpunta ko sa pamilya itong mga human sa pagkakasala na
Number 8 is
dapat
prostitution.
sa daning
So kaya prostitution sa Tagalog yung pero
Balikat na, balikat.
kasi nakailan din what is prostitution. See, so if you're what is prostitution?
Or example,
Ikaw.
for example, na kay friend na nasa Cebu kasagaran man ay mga prostitution. Wa man kay dito sa Bohol, dito man sa Cebu. Wa kayo ako ra man diri. For example, ako na lang, for example, sabay ko. Then,
Go.
ako ito makig-sex ko sa ibang laki na bayaran na ko og kwarta. Or i-pay ko mga drinks na basta kaya makapalipay na ko. Balag ihatag na ko ako lawas.
150.
O kailangan.
Ang prostitution din sa hindi ko prostitution. Tagalog lang kayo mabayaran na. So,
Baligyan mo imong kaugalingon.
Pagalingon para lang sa kwarta.
Yeah.
So prostitution
Because of poverty.
for money. Wala kwarta. Or the other forms of payment. Isa, controversial and often stigmatized aspect of human sexuality. For example, prostitution exists in various forms globally, and its legal and social acceptance differ across countries and culture. So, sabot ra what is prostitution?
Yes.
Then, sa butra.
Nagbuhat na si Eduardo.
So the meaning of prostitution, so mabasa ang ginyo kanyasa kanang pagbaligya sa imong kaugalingon, ako yung sa among kwarta. So, example, some argue that criminalized and regulated prostitution could provide sex workers with better protection, access to healthcare, and improved working conditions, while others advocate for its abolition to address exploitation and human trafficking. So, tumalipod sa prostitution, ang kasagaran na kayo matiduwang manak, din na kung kintahin na sila yung mga anak, possible na kato na po nilang anak, ilan na po siya gamiton para sa human trafficking or exploitation. So, wala ka ng business na, di ba? Next, please read everyone.
Development. Family planning refers to the voluntary use of contraceptives and methods to control family size and birth intervals. It has significant implications for national development, including economic growth, public health, and gender equality.
For example, countries with effective family planning programs often experience lower population growth rates, improve maternal and child health, and greater opportunities for women's
Education and workforce participation.
Outcome, by
By exploring women's sexuality from a social group, we gain a deeper understanding of how societal norms and beliefs shape sexual attitude and behaviors. Recognizing the importance of family planning in national development, promote sustainable growth, women's empowerment, and improve health outcomes for families and communities. practices.
Kana kayo mo, siyempre ang family planning na mo kay kanang possible na magdala ng hindi na po makatupay din yung mga parents sa mga naglanan sa inyong mga anak. So, in conclusion, the exploration of human sexuality through a sociological lens reveals the interplay between societal norms, cultural values, and individual behaviors. By examining topics such as incest as sexual taboo, the impacts of diverse sexual revolution, and the diverse spectrum of sexual orientation, we gain insight into the of human life. Understanding celibacy and prostitution highlights the varied motivation and societal implications surrounding sexual practices, the significance of family development, promoting public health, and enhancing gender equality. Ultimately, this comprehensive perspective encourages a more informed and empathetic approach to discussions around human sexuality to address the challenges and opportunities that we arise within these fundamental aspects of human life. That's all. Thank you.